Yeah, something to get used to.
Yeah.
At least downtown we'll have some shade.
Yeah.
And let's clean your windshield here, just because. Pull it back. There we go. Because you want to have clear visibility, pretty much as best as you can, anyway. So we're going to keep going straight, and the speed limit is safe and comfortable. Basically, you want to go 15 or less through here, this part here, because you get people like walking across, not using the crosswalk and whatnot. You know, they'll come running out, running across the street to this place here, the Vita Health, to get their drink. And we're going to keep going straight. Rights of ways work the same way down here as anywhere else. Oh, look, we got one coming the wrong way. Let's stay here. Idiot.
See, I would have thought I was going the wrong way.
He probably thought you were going the wrong way.
Yeah. I was scared he was going to get mad.
You do get one or two sometimes. And so I'm showing you different clues so that never happens to you. Everything's facing you. The stop signs, the flashing red light, the way the cars are parked. There's all kinds of clues to let you know you're going the wrong way or the right way. Now we're going to make a left turn at the intersection, which from this lane is the only thing that we can do. In other words, you can't make a right turn from the left lane. Left turns from the left lane, right turns from the right lane. Perfect. And look for your yellow line here. And stay close to it. It's actually 2 lanes.
Oh.
And the yellow lines divide traffic going in opposite directions. Left turn down here. You want to turn into the left lane, closest lane. Closest one. Might feel really weird, but it's a one-way, and that's to avoid a collision with a car turning right around the corner.